In this video, we are going to use AI to generate image analysis. So here we are going to use the AI models such as OpenAI, Gemini and Claude and compare the image analysis results generated by these models. So let's get started over here. So here I am in the analytics section. First of all, you have to make sure you actually connect the API keys over here. So first of all, to get the API keys from the OpenAI, you can actually go to this exact website address as you see here and create a new secret key. And if you go to settings over here and in the settings integrations, you can find the OpenAI ChatGPT and connect your API keys right here. And likewise for the Google Gemini, you can generate or get the API keys from this particular link, ai.google.dev, and you can click on this particular link to generate your API keys. And likewise for the Claude, you can go to this exact address you see on this page and generate your API keys as well. And make sure you actually connect all these three models over here, because we're actually going to compare these models results when they actually interpret the images we actually supply them. Let's go to the flow section over here, and let me actually create a new flow over here and add flow. Let me say AI image analysis and click continue. So let's actually create the flow over here. So first step would be actually collect the customer, or actually ask the customer to upload the image. So here you have to start with get user data, and here choose the reply type as image over here. And here you can simply save this response in a custom field, because we want to actually use this particular field later for each of these AI models such as OpenAI, Gemini and Claude. So let me save this image in a custom field. So I'm actually saving this particular image input, or the image uploaded by the customer, in this custom field called as image1. And you can skip this button as well, delete this one. And here you can ask customer, please upload your image. So we actually ask customer to upload the image, and we actually expect the customer to upload the image and save it in the image1 custom field over here. And now we want to actually send this image uploaded by the customer to each of these models. First, let's send this to the OpenAI and analyze it. So for that, you have to actually actions, choose OpenAI here, and here you have the option to analyze the image over here. As you see here, analyze image, and the image would be image1. So here you have to choose the image over here. So let me actually refresh this page first to make sure we actually receive. Here you have to choose the image one over here, because that's the image we actually saved from the customer, and we actually add the prompt automatically what is in this image. Otherwise you can actually change this prompt as well. And where do you want to save this custom field? So here let me add a new custom field, output 1. It will be saved in output 1. So let's click continue. Now we want to send that particular output 1 to the customer. So here if you type the curly bracket and AUT, we should be able to choose that one, output 1. And here this is just a response is actually generated from ChatGPT. So we actually done with analyzing image with the OpenAI. So now we can actually do the same thing for the other models such as Google Gemini, those kind of things. So here actions, let me choose Google Gemini over here. And here you have to choose analyze image over here, and here it will be image1. And here you can save this in a new field. So let me choose as output 2. So here this output 2 is generated from the Google Gemini. Save it, continue, and we want to display the output back to the customer. So here output 2, and it is generated by Gemini. And now we can actually do the same thing for the Claude as well. So here let's go with the Claude actions over here, choose Claude over here, and here you can choose whatever the models over here, and here you have to choose analyze image over here, and here you have to choose image1. So that's the image uploaded by the customer, and here we can actually create a new custom field as output 3. All right, save it. And now we want to display the same Claude output back to the customer. So if you type curly brackets output and choose output 3, So we actually done with this simple flow right here. So we actually ask the customer to upload the image, and it will simply, after that, once they upload the image, it will simply send the analysis by OpenAI, Gemini and Claude. Let's see how this actually works as well. So since we actually built this in this omni-channel, as you see here, this omni-channel, so that can actually works on all these connected channels. So we can actually test on whatever the channels you want. So let's test this on our WhatsApp over here. So let me share my phone screen as well. As you see here, I'm in the WhatsApp, and here it simply says please upload your image. So what happens is that if a customer simply send any sort of just a text message, it won't simply allows them. It simply says it is not a valid image, ask them to upload the image, because we actually choose we actually expect them to upload an image right here. So let me upload an image real quick. So here I am going to upload this particular image. So this is a order screenshot or Amazon order screenshot. So here you can find the order date, the order ID, those kind of things, and also along with the product. Let's see how this AI model actually works over here. So let me simply upload this particular image and see how each of these models, OpenAI, Google Gemini and Claude, works over here. So we have just received all the responses over here. So here we have the same prompt, what is in the image. ChatGPT says that the image appears to be a screenshot from a mobile phone displaying an order details page from Amazon website. The screenshot shows that an order was placed on July 25, 2020, and the item has been delivered as of the snapshot. The product ordered is this particular Amazon Basics, and the product price is there. Item was offered with 1-day shipping, and the delivery estimate for the Wednesday this time. And the screenshot also shows Amazon mobile app interface at the top, including the search bar and the portion of the user interface at the bottom. The battery level and the network provider is Vodafone UK, indicate the phone is likely being used in the United Kingdom, and the time displays is 12:37 p.m. So here this is the image, and it simply says everything, including the mobile carrier, as you see here. So that's the power of ChatGPT right here. And Google Gemini, it simply says it is an Amazon order confirmation. So it simply says just one sentence over here. And let's say what says Claude. So it says this image shows the order details for an Amazon purchase. It displays the information such as order date, order number, order total, shipping details, item purchase, this one, and the image does not contain any human faces or identifiable individuals. So that's the response we received from the Claude as well. So as you see, obviously the OpenAI or ChatGPT API actually performs very well, including, and it simply provides all the tiny details within the image as well. So I'm going to try this again for a different image and see how this actually responds over here. So let me simply preview this again in the WhatsApp, and so it simply says please upload your image. So let me upload the image. This time I'm going to upload this particular image and see what sort of responses we actually receiving over here. So it's just a dog and cat actually both are playing over here, and let's see what sort of responses we actually getting for this type of image we just uploaded to these models. So it will actually take just a few seconds because it actually analyze the image first and also generate the response to the customer, and it's actually started sending the responses here. ChatGPT says the image displays an adorable interaction between a junk orange white kitten and a large brown and white dog sitting on a grassy field with some clover flowers around them. The kitten is reaching up with its front paw and appears to be gently touching the dog's nose, who is looking away with a calm, tolerant facial expression. As you see, it simply says the expressions as well. And this scene captures a moment of interspecies curiosity, gentleness, and suggesting a friendly dynamic between a cat and a dog. And Google Gemini says this is an image of a pit bull and a cat. And Claude says this image shows a dog and a cat interacting in a grassy outdoor setting. The dog appears to be medium sized, breed brown, white coat, while cat is fluffy orange color. They seem to be playful, engaging with each other, suggesting a friendly relationship between the two animals. So as you see here, OpenAI or ChatGPT actually works really well for this image as well. And apart after the OpenAI ChatGPT, Claude actually performs better compared with Gemini. Here we actually having the same prompt for all these three models. So let me try with end the image as well. For that, let me have to click on preview right here. Let me upload this particular image and see what sort of response we are actually getting. So it is actually a warranty card in of a particular company. Let's see what sort of response we actually receive from these three models, such as OpenAI, Gemini, and Claude. So we have just received the response over here. And as usual, ChatGPT actually performed really well with a detailed explanation of that particular image. And Google Gemini says image shows a warranty card for the paint protection film, and Cloud says image shows a particular warranty card. This card is green in color, those kind of things. So, but in case of ChatGPT, if you see, it simply provides each and every detail from top to bottom. So here it says on the bottom half of the image, additional text, and also it simply captures the website URL in the particular image as well. So let me see if we can capture any sort of URL. Oh, as you see here, it shows some sort of URL. I'm not sure where we have this URL. Maybe I think it captured the URL from this particular website or email address from there, something like that. And so as you see here, obviously ChatGPT actually performs really well compared with the other models. And if you're actually planning to use image analysis using AI, then actually it is recommended to use ChatGPT for now, and Cloud is also actually performing a little bit better. Sometimes you might be able to get better results on these models, even on the Google Gemini, by changing the prompt in some other way as well. So that's a quick video about comparing the image analysis using these three models such as OpenAI, Cloud, and Gemini. If you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.